All right, y'all, simple short video. My wife bought me this Keeper magnetic gun mount for your car, and I'm gonna be mounting mine right here. So, you know, this is a little Taurus G2C. It's not loaded, you know, no magazine, whatever. I'm gonna be putting it right there. I'm gonna show y'all how strong this magnet is. Like, once I put this on there, like, that gun is not moving. I'm gonna show y'all in 1 second. All right, so I got it mounted up here, and it is on there. Now this top little piece is nothing really but a cover, and the magnets are up under there. But this is the gun right here. Like, it's not loaded, as y'all can see. Nothing's in there. And I put that bad boy right there. Oh, my bad. Put that bad boy right there. Ain't no bump or nothing gonna shake that off. Like, you can rack that bitch if you want to and come out ready, you know. But like I said, there's nothing in there, so. But yeah. I believe this is how I'm probably gonna carry mine, just so I could, you know, have it in there like that. Let me see, you could turn it here like that if you wanted to. You know, kind of wanted it like that, but then it would have been hard to get your hand on the side of it. You would have had to have mounted it like that, and it would have been in the way. But yeah, man, Keeper. Let me see. Keeper magnetic gun mount. You can find this on Amazon, I'm sure. Pretty cheap. But yeah, y'all check that out.